Yeah, hello, Martin Baker here. I'm over in Elstead in Surrey, relatively near Guildford, and wanted to show you round this smallest of our J offices. 2.3 wide on the front, only 1.3 deep. Could have had deeper, but it just does the job perfectly fine. Yes, it's compact in size, doesn't impact on this garden too much, and has got the client out of one of the bedrooms upstairs, separating his home and work life. And he's been using this daily for a year now, over the moon with it. Let me take you inside. Like I say, we do bigger options. I'm not saying it's not compact, but it does do the job perfectly well. So as we walk into the door there, you've got some shelving and the heater. I'm actually looking to add climate control. The client saying how warm it was in the winter, but just a bit too warm in the summer. So climate control is coming its way. And then a 1.2 rise and fall desk with chair sat there, looking really lovely. All the usual things from us: steel and timber frame base, internet, and the lighting, all app run. It can be all app run within the permitted development rules in our anthracite colour. Just a perfectly usable daily office, getting clients out of the office and into the garden. And although it's compact, it does do the job perfectly well. So there you go. That is our 2.3 by 1.3. That is old school 8 by 4 feet. A tiny space in the garden office. Hopefully that's of interest to you. If you've got a small space and you want to get out of the house, out of the dining room table or spare bedroom, this is a great solution. Thanks for watching. Please like, subscribe and share what we do.